Hi, everyone. Michael McGinnis here. As you can see, it's a cool day out here on the beach. Yes, we're here in San Diego, where the weather has turned a little bit cool. It's great relief from some of the heat we've had. Hey, topic, keynote is the fact is that we are ready to launch a new and revised whole feel and concept to the ripple effect. We've had a lot of fun dabbling. You can check out some of our videos on topics related to a variety of spiritual topics. And we've begun to really start getting an audience who's interested in more, involving more, and hearing from more teachers and people on the path of enlightenment, particularly for those who are interested in the concept of spirituality. They're curious, they have questions, they've had to overcome past trauma, tired of the pain and suffering, or they're just curious to learn more, learn what others are saying and doing about the profound questions related to the meaning of life, a sense of purpose, and the concept of enlightenment. So, hey, look forward to joining you. What are we going to do? It's about providing insight, guidance, and inspiration, and mostly a sense of community to allow people from all over the globe to connect with a common sense of being able to learn and discover together. It's a chance for us to all, as teachers, as individuals, to share our own gifts. We all have the gifts, and they're in effect our pebbles as we throw them into the pond of life, creating the ripple effect, right? We can all make such a huge difference on life, even if it's just to one other person to start. But as we know, the ripples go so much further and so much farther beyond. It's a chance for us to create our ripples of love, healing, and joy in a world as we know and we see it all around us, and are reminded every day of a world in transition. So, hey, subscribe. We'll keep you posted. It's not about me. It's not about any one individual. It's instead about community, a chance to really share on the concepts and questions and ideas and thoughts related to this amazing thing called life. Take care and talk soon. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.